Hello everyone, and welcome to another PROTips video. In this video, we will demonstrate how to perform two closed-loop tests using the PROTips digital twin in a centralized protection solution. The first demonstration will verify the protection characteristic for a distance function. The second will be a system-based test for a line fault. Closed-loop testing with PROTips digital twin offers a wide range of benefits, such as the ability to conduct tests without hardware, reducing CAPEX by approximately 80%, providing flexibility in test execution, minimizing signal wiring time, and finally, generating the same reports as physical tests to support your results. Using two different methods, we will test the protection settings for functions such as transformer differentials, impedance, overcurrent, and system-based simulations of the system under test. The first scenario involves testing the distance protection settings. First of all, in the DIGC project, please review the protection settings, startup time, and trigger values. Now, export the centralized protection configuration as a SIM file. Open the CocoS Arts 5 software and configure the protection settings test using the same data configured in DIGC. Follow the suggested steps to configure the API password, and once the settings have been reviewed, click on Connect. Export the API file, and please do not change the file name. Import this file into your digital twin session. In the routing matrix, map the analog signals from the API to the simulated relay file, and the trip signals from the relay to the API. For example, the trip signal for function 21. Now, click on Start to initiate the test. In Digital Twin, you can observe that the CPC corresponds to the bay for distance protection. In the ART software, you will also obtain the test assessment, indicating the obtained trip time and the percentage deviation from the expected value. The second method is system-based, using Relay Sim Test. In this case, the three bays of the CPC are simulated, and the test involves a single-phase fault in Bay 3. Click on Execute, and export the API file as well. Follow the same process as with ARTIS, import the API file and map it in the routing matrix. Start the simulation in Digital Twin, and once the simulation begins, click on Continue. In PROTips digital twin, you will observe the trip in the corresponding bay. Similarly, in Relay Sim Test, you can evaluate the results, such as the fault current simulated, as well as the trip and auto or closure signals. As well as the trip time assessment, without needing to download information from the simulated device. Thank you for watching. Remember that once the simulations are completed, you can generate the respective reports to support the correct functioning of the device. If you are interested in more pro tips, you can also scan the QR code and register for additional content.